Hello everyone, today is 14th April 2023. I'm standing just next to my Yellow Bird Magnolia. Last year I planted. I bought the plant from Lowe's. See how tiny the plant is. I think 1.5 feet only. I'm not sure if these are the leaf buds or flower. I'll keep you updating if they bloom later. See my palm, how big the flower is. So right now it is 5:30 p.m. June 6. So first time I'm seeing these blooms. Last year when I bought there were no blooms, only this kind of structure when I bought, and then they opened leaves.